Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Please stay tuned if you would like to see how I got this beautiful look. So I'm starting out just prepping the skin with the Embryolisse Lait-Creme and also going in with the MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream. For her foundation, I used the Gratobian HD Glamour Cream palette, and the palette is the Warm palette, and the shade I used on her is named Vixen. It's a cream foundation, so I'm just applying that with a flat synthetic brush and blending it out with the Bdellium Tools 957 brush. For her concealer, I just used the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish Concealer, and I mixed the shades NC15 and NC20. For her contour, I just used the black Opal Cream Stick foundations in the shade Truly Topaz, and I just blended out the contour and the concealer with the Black Beauty Blender. And to set all the highlighted areas on her face, I just used the RCMA No Color Loose Powder. As a base for her eyes, I used the Studio Finish Concealer by MAC in the shade NC15. The Jaclyn Morphe palette has really been my go-to lately for eyeshadows, so I just started in her crease with the color Silk Cream to start building up that transition color. For the lid color, I used a MAC Cosmetics Pigment in the shade Melon. To line the eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Blackest Black Gel Liner. For her brows, I'm just taking the Anastasia 218 brush. I'm using a spoolie just to groom the hairs of her brows. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Duo in the shade Chocolate. I'm using the lighter side just to fill in her brows and just give them some shape and definition. For her highlight, I just used the Anastasia Glow Kit. I used the shades Bubbly and Sunburst. I used the NYX liner in the shade Cappuccino to line her lips. And then for lipstick, I used the shade Viva Glam Nicki. It's a really old lipstick. I think it came out maybe like over 5 years ago. It's like a really pretty corally pink. And then I topped that off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brûlée. And that is the finished look, guys. She looks so bomb. I will be listing the products that I used in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe because I will be putting out more videos soon. Thanks, guys.